Welcome back, y'all, to another video with Nona's Diaries. I am Nona, and leaving off from the last video, I was working on, as you all know, the cheetah. I did get that completed. It is currently drying. I did seal it. I put the sealant on it, and it's currently drying, and I will be going over that with you on the next video. Today, I wanted to do, as the title stated, an unboxing of my next diamond art, which is from Diamond Art Club. And it's this one here. This one here. It is the goddess and her tiger. This is the next addition to the safari wall that I'm doing in my living room. It is square diamonds, and it measures 22 by 33 inches. For those of you that do diamond painting, I don't know what your preference is, whether the round diamond you like more or the square diamond. I don't mind either one at all. I prefer the square only because it's more, it fills up more of the pattern, and just to me it really makes the design come out better. So, see what we got in here. I have not opened this. I actually just got it. Oh boy, this one's probably going to be a bigger one. This one looks like it's going to be fairly large. So, in those of you that have not ordered from Diamond Art Club, I really like them. A lot of people think that Diamond Art Club is pretty expensive. Some kits can be pretty pricey. What I like to do is just kind of keep an eye on the ones that come out. Sometimes I'll buy like the mystery, or I'll buy the kits, the new kits that come out. But I also take a look at like the sales. They have like a sales category on there. And I've actually bought the Tweety Bird one I did, the video back, I think a couple months ago. I had a Tweety Bird one that I had gotten on the sale, and I think it was like 50 or 60% off. So I got kind of lucky on that one. But I really like diamond art because their diamonds are so shiny, and I love their canvases. They're so much better than most of the ones that I've actually worked with. So let's see. Inside the packet, you get a little toolkit here. Comes with, of course, a diamond pen, a roll of washi tape, diamond bags here. I kind of keep a hold of these. These are just like for my leftover diamonds. I normally don't use these when I kit up and get ready to work on my diamond art. Little pin putty. Kind of got a little pin thing. Goes right over the pin if you all like to use those. The thing I really like are these little magnet things that you get with a kit from Diamond Art. It's really nice because the table that I use has a magnetic like around the edge, so kind of helps when I first unroll it, kind of hold it down and let it sit overnight. Then of course you get this, you get this little tray here. I don't mind the trays. They are kind of small. I prefer the bigger ones, more like this here. I like the bigger trays. The bigger trays because it just gives me more room to kind of dump more beads in it. But the thing I do like about diamond art is I like the plug here in the end. Stops the diamonds from kind of slipping out on me. And then also the pin that's in there, you get like a multi-beader. For those of you that prefer to use the multi-beads. And I really like this, the tweezers. These kind of help out a lot for me when I do the square diamonds, especially when I'm getting into the last few diamonds in a section. It works really well. So of course you get the picture of the design. And another thing I like about diamond art is the numbered stickers. These help out so much when you're kitting up, instead of having to put your own stickers on the jars. I have a little case here that holds like 60 something, no, 80 like different jars here. And these are what I kind of break my kit down and put all my beads in. And then I usually stick the stickers on the top here, which kind of really helps me out a lot. So it makes it so much easier when you actually have the stickers already done up and ready to go. Wow, this one's going to have a lot of colors. It's been a while since I've done one with this many colors. So yeah, it's kind of like got the numbers on here, and that's the numbers that I go by, that's kind of on the stickers and the design. So I don't know if you guys can tell, maybe if I pull up the lighter ones here. So like the square beads here. But yeah, I separate all of these and I put them in like the little jars. Sometimes, depending on how many bags of the same color I have to use, you know, more than just one jar for that color. So that's why I have such a big enough kit. But I kind of have this. It's got 2 trays in it, top and bottom. And sometimes I work on 2 kits depending on how many colors I have on each kit. Sometimes I'll work on 2 kits, kind of go back and forth. So that's why I really like this. This is by ARTDOT, and you can actually find it on Amazon, and I'll even put that in the description below. You guys can pull these up, and there are different sizes. I think they go up to like, I think 200 or 240 in a case. I eventually want to get the bigger case, but right now this works just fine for me. So yeah, that's a lot of colors. Oh wow, this is bigger than I expected. So yeah, she's actually bigger than I expected, but I love it. Absolutely beautiful. Now I just gotta lay her out and get all the wrinkles out of it so that I can pull the plastic off and get my 2-sided paper put on it. I don't like to keep the plastic on there. I prefer the 2-sided paper just because, for my own opinion, it seems like it keeps the pattern a little bit more cleaner. But yeah, this is going to be so awesome. Oh, wow, how pretty. So yeah, this is actually, I knew that it was going to be big, but I wasn't expecting it to be quite this big, but that's just fine. I'm actually more happier about that, but I'm going to have to lay it out. Once I lay it out, I take the 2-sided paper and put it over and kind of go over that with another video when I show you the cheetah that I had finished once it dries. I totally forgot about videotaping putting on the sealant and that, and I apologize, but when I get this one done, I will do that also, do a video of how I seal it. I will try to get a video on how I matte. Not sure if I'm going to frame the cheetah or if I'm just going to mat it onto a mat board, but whatever I decide, I will try to get a video on that and then kind of show you that. So I just wanted to get on and do a quick video of unboxing the next kit that I was doing from Diamond Art Club. Those of you that are new to Diamond Art and you're not familiar with Diamond Art Club and the different Diamond Arts that are kits that are out there is so much out there. It's unbelievable how many different kits you can do, and it's not necessarily just Diamond Art Club. I mean, I buy some off of Temu. Matter of fact, I actually have a box that I just recently got, and I'm going to go through that on another video, kind of show you that. A lot of different choices on Amazon, Diamond Art Club. If you actually go on Google and just type in Diamond Art Kits, it usually pops up with a bunch of different companies that offer it. Different patterns, pictures, things like that, from animals, mountain scenes, and there's a lot of other YouTube channels out there that are just amazing, that show a lot of what they do. That's kind of where I found a lot of my ideas and where to go. But I just wanted to kind of jump on, kind of show you the next safari that I'm working on here. And I'm going to get it kitted up, and then we'll kind of go from there and show you on the next one. Thank you all for stopping by today. I really appreciate each and every one of you. We did get an additional, I believe, 8 subscribers in the last 2 days. Everybody's got to love little Zoe. She is so funny. Hope you all enjoyed that as well. If you liked the video, please give us those thumbs up. That really helps me out on my channel. If you want to follow us along on our journey, hit that subscribe button as well and the notification bell. That way, it'll remind you of every time that I put out a new video. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you all for stopping by, and we'll catch you all on the next one.